Very quickly, they told me I had stage 4 lung cancer, which is something you don't hear every day or expect to hear.
Accepting the diagnosis was one thing. Sharing it with the people that you love the most is another.
Moving forward alone without your spouse is something that's incomprehensible. You just can't. You can't fathom it.
Our scanners at QHC are over 16 years old. The new cameras, we anticipate that scans will be about 30% faster. It will improve on certain things that we already do, but it'll do it better.
Early diagnosis is so critical to cancer. The sooner you can diagnose it, they can predict earlier and earlier, and that's the key thing.